So we had the final meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam on the 29th, and in fact we have uh, managed to resolve all the smaller issues that were pending. It's difficult for me to explain why we had to continuously meet, but once we come out with the reports, then you'll understand, because every solution then has another minor fine tuning to be done, and then there's another village that is there, or another stream that is there, another tree that comes in between, and we have to take decisions on whether we should be around that tree or to the right, to the left. So it goes into micro details like that, which take a lot of time to work out. So we are happy that after multiple meetings, we have come to a broad consensus, I should say, and in detail also in most of the areas. And I don't think we'll be having another meeting with the Chief Minister, Assam Chief Minister. We don't need to meet. We have finalized everything, and now we will simply wait for the government of India to call us. And based on that meeting, we'll be able to finally come out with the final resolution for the first 6 areas. So on that meeting which we had with the Assam Chief Minister, we have, as I said, we have come to an understanding in the first 6 locations.